on. Good morning, and what a beautiful morning it is. I'm out with Brian and we're up in Glencoe. Target's going to be the Pap and Sgorr and the Munro at the other side of the Fiannaidh Ridge. I'm not going to try and pronounce it. I'll put it on the screen when we get to the summit. But check that out. Absolutely stunning. It's a wee bit nippy this morning. The sun's not quite light up on the skyline yet. I think we'll get some forecasts for some snow this afternoon, but hopefully we'll be up and down before that happens. Sun's just coming up. The 300 metre mark, starting to gain a bit of height, and check the views out. Unbelievable. I don't know if you're picking it up, but the clag is en route. The clag is just coming in. It might be clear for the summit of the Pap, but I don't know about the Munro. The summit of the Pap and Glencoe. And there's the Pap and Glencoe. And like the forecast said, we'd get some snow today. There's a slight flurry on, it's not much but it's on. Just think half an hour ago I was in a t-shirt. It just shows you how quick conditions can change up here, so always be prepared. That's where we came for, a bit of scramble, nothing too serious. There's a nice path round the side. But a wee bit. Currently at 880 metres and there's midges. 1st April and there's midges. I don't know if you can pick them up. That's crazy. Not far to go. 100 metres or so. Wow. Wow. Check that out. I don't know if you pick it up the GoPro. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. There's the sun up there. Buddy. That's good. Enjoyed that, sir. And the Keegan Ridge. Munro, pick up this wee track. This wee bit's not too bad, but up there, boulder field, certainly on these, this isn't too bad. A really good day, pity about the clag at the tap. It was forecast, so can't really complain. We got the views at the tap, so not too bad. Not too bad. Well, that's us down onto the main track. All in all, just coming up for 6 hours walking, and we just covered 7 mile. Tough day, because I believe Glencoe village sits at sea level, so it's about 1100 metres ascent up, and coming down was pretty tough. Coming down off the Munro was pretty tough, but highly recommend it. Even the Pap on its own, what a cracking viewpoint. You get Glencoe, Ballyhoolish Munros. So I definitely recommend it, and putting that wee Munro in as well is just an added bonus. I thoroughly enjoy that. Weather was not too bad at the the Pap. Great views and that, but we hit the Clag by the time we got to the Munro. So all in all, a good day. If you've watched it this far, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one.